So look, I've been telling y'all that I have defective chickens from the get-go. 2 years now since I got these birds. Let me show you. I got proof now. Watch this. So I came out here to check the eggs just a few minutes ago, and I had to come back in the house to get my phone to show you this deformed mutant egg. What is that? Which one of you lowlifes laid this mutant? Was it you? No, it wasn't her. It's too late to be her. I bet it was one of you Heathers over there. I bet it was. See, the red one lays this dark egg right here. See the difference? I'm not sure who lays this one, because it's about the same color as the other one, maybe a little darker. But this one ain't normal looking. Look, none of them lay a egg this light. Was it you? I bet it... Get out there, Eliza. You're defective. You're defective freeloaders. I'm not eating this crazy looking egg. Don't you ever give me nothing that looks like that again. What am I supposed to do with this? Other than take a picture and put it on Instagram. I'm so glad those new chickens are coming next week. They'll be here on Wednesday. I'm donating these to somebody. I'm donating these faulty chickens to somebody. Ridiculous.